If you are looking at the market and feeling very good that the markets are in great shape and you need to come down to earth, just look at how prepared we are for our own retirement and how well our country is prepared for a large chunk of people retiring and not having enough money for their day-to-day living, right? So it is not unheard of that a son takes his mother to a railway station, tells her I'm just coming, and then vanishes and never to come back, just abandoned. There are many old men and women who get abandoned like this in railway stations, and I believe increasingly even airports. So this is all proof that we are just not prepared for our old age. We are not prepared, as we don't know where we will live, we do not know how much money we need. But suddenly when you look at it, it is very, very depressing to note that we do not have any great sense of preparedness for retirement even at the age of 50, 55, and that's bad. Then people come out with some funny solutions saying, oh, my children will take care of me. Physically, it is impossible for children to take care of you simply because their own requirements are not very small. And let us assume you are now 65 years of age, your son is 42 years, 43 years of age, or maybe 40 years of age. And he has a lot of his own priorities. His daughter wants to study further, his son wants to become a professional photographer, his wife has some hobby which is also costing money, right? What is he going to prioritize? How will he have money to look after you? He just will not have. So it has to be your portfolio which looks after you. So the question is, what happens if you run out of money during your retirement? So when you sit down with your portfolio, I've spoken about this in other videos of sustainability rate. Find out how much your total expenses are, how much you have in your corpus, and see whether it is sustainable. If it is not sustainable, what should you do? That's what we are going to tackle here. So first, tell your children that you may not have sufficient money, so you will be dependent on them. That's a good place to start. You may or may not be, but at least tell them that this will have to be done and they will have to pay for it. Second, try to continue work much longer. If you have to retire at 60, see if you can get some other work, and if your health permits, you may be able to work for another 10 years. The fact that you postponed your retirement by 10 years means for 10 years, even assuming you earned only enough to meet your expenses, it is still worth it, because for those 10 years you did not touch your corpus. So let's say you needed 4 crores corpus and you had 2 crores. That 2 crores could have become 4 crores at 70, and at 70 you will need even lesser, right? So that can happen. Children could be prepared by then to decide what to do. Your own house in which you're living could start providing some kind of an income if you can do a reverse mortgage, or you can just sell it off and shift to a lower cost housing. If your children won't take care of you, then you have no place. If they have no place for you in their life, you don't need to have place for them in your life. At least first, be careful about how much money you need for yourself. After that, you can think of what you should be doing for your children. See what are all the things which can cover your shortfall. I found one person who thought he was short, but he had paid a huge amount of premium to LIC, and today he had a lot of insurance policies which were maturing, and all of that were maturing at different times. So I said, this corpus and that corpus are almost equal. So he was having that kind of an income, or I would say cash flow from the matured or maturing life insurance policies, and he had not given too much importance to that, because the premium that he was paying was not very, very high. He was paying some 35,000, some 75,000 kind of premium per annum premium, so which was not it was not very great for him, but he had been paying this for the last 25-30 years, and he got a decent amount of money. So this can be another way. See what you have already done. And if you are just 45 or 50, do a complete marathon sprint of saving and investing from the age of 50 to the age of 60. That is the best period when you could be earning. Of course, it's the riskiest period, because when they decide that they will sack or they will downsize. Most companies will hit people at this age group. So yes, that is there, but if you have spotted very early that you do not have enough assets, please go on a marathon investment or saving spree, creating your portfolio, having it reviewed, right? So creating wealth on the way is important. You're going to need it for your own retirement. You're not doing it for somebody else. So please do it. Thank you.